Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So I have a question. Why is it so hard for people to answer yung question na how old are you? A lot of people are denying yung age nila. Or a lot of people are not comfortable sharing kung ilang taon na sila.
I think it would depend sa gender.
Okay.
For males and for males, mas mataas ang percentage that they would say their real age.
Okay.
But for women, it's like taboo to even ask for their age. Kasi parang in some countries, it's very taboo for them to ask their age. Kasi parang it's disrespectful. Parang you're telling them that they're old. Alam mo naman, women are very concerned of how they look, ganyan.
Okay.
How people see them, ganyan. So parang pag sinabing when you tell them how old are you, parang that's none of your business. Parang you're not like that. Parang it's none of your business. Why are you asking? Why do I look old? Parang ganun kaagad yung initial reaction. Do I look old? Like that. So, yeah.
That's for women.
Yes,
okay.
For women and for some men who are very vain. Ganon. Pero mostly yung mga talagang men na really men walang bahid na ganyan. It's easier for them to answer.
Okay. So, for you, personally ba, is it a bad thing na you are getting older? Or is that something negative?
For me, no. Whenever people, in Facebook, diba, every time it's your birthday, they're gonna be posting that it's your birthday.
Yes.
I always post a picture of myself with my current age.
Okay.
Yeah, because I am proud of my age, because through age comes experience and wisdom and a lot of things that you have gone through in life that is not easy, that you were able to survive.
Yes, yes. Tama naman kasi 'di ba, it's a very good thing na at this age na survive natin lahat yung mga lahat ng mga na-survive natin in our life. And we are thankful na nandito pa tayo sa mundo, 'di ba? Na kahit na tumatanda na tayo kasi parang naano lang ako na a lot of people are really not comfortable nga sharing their age. Na pag tinanong kung ilang taon na sila, hindi nila sinasagot or di kaya hulaan mo, yung gano'n pinapahula pa nila. So tama yung sinabi mo na parang bakit do I look old? So I think yung mga iba, yung kunyari hulaan mo kung ilang edad na ako. They want validation
na they look younger than they are.
Yes, that's true. So yon. But yun nga, it's not a bad thing to get old. We will all get old. Lahat tayo tatanda. And it's just up to us to
age gracefully.
Tama.